loads of space. Tons of space.
Yeah, there's a lot of headroom.
Lots of headroom. So she needs to bring that way up. Yep, it's perfect.
You have like 3 inches for the legroom.
Connect Plus. So if you've seen our video where we did the side-by-side measurements, because we didn't believe that this one was actually bigger, because it is 4 inches bigger at the back, but then it narrows in, but it does have more headroom. So I'm 5'3". Seat all the way back, loads of space.
5'5".
5'5" and wide. Tons of space, and this has more elbow room. This has more width in the when you shut the door compared to the Connect. All right, 5'9" and wide. Shoulders for days.
Yeah, there's a lot of headroom.
Lots of headroom.
410.
410? Oh, well, you didn't even give yourself 411.
Going down every video.
Yeah. So she needs to bring that way up. Yep. It's perfect. You got like a foot atop there. So unless you wanted the distance on a Connect Plus, like the 100 amp hour battery, I wouldn't say you need to get a Connect Plus for you.
It's quite high.
I mean, it's okay if your head's rubbing a little bit.
Yeah. Well, if you move forward and you put your head in the sunroof.
In the sun, can you do that actually? You don't look very comfortable.
Why?
It's not horrible, but it's still a personal preference, right? Between all 3 of them. That's why when you come to Ride the Wind, you can test, well, there's 5 of them, 6 of them to test drive. But if you're buying from us over the phone, online, we hope these videos help to determine which one is best for you. And I would love to talk to you and talk about it more, because that's what I love to do. Now you know.